Using Printify in Australia is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, visit Printify.com official website. Printify is a remarkable print-on-demand platform that empowers you to establish your online store or connect an existing store. You can create and sell custom products and it provides. You will get 100% free to use 900 plus high-quality products and largest global print network. From here, you can start your free trial or know how it works. Then, on the top bar, you will find different features, catalog, how it works, pricing, blog, services, use cases, and need help. If you don't have a Printify account, simply click on Sign Up to create your own store. Otherwise, you can click on the Login button to use your existing account. Printify provides higher profits, robust scaling, and best selection. You can easily add your design to a wide range of products. You can create custom products, sell on your terms, and handle fulfillment. Printify easily integrates with major e-commerce platforms and marketplaces so you can connect your store. After that, click to start your free trial by clicking on Start for Free. The process is straightforward, and you can create your store using your email address or Google account. Or you can sign up with your Google account. Simply click to continue with Google and then select your Google account to continue with the process. After that, it will ask you to choose the option which describes you best. Then, you have to select what is your main objective and what would you like help with, such as SEO, pricing, store setup, and many more. Now, you have to pick how you found out about Printify. So choose any of the following options from here. After that, you can pick what you would like to do now. You can browse Printify catalog, create your first custom product, or create your online store. So click to browse the catalog from here. Once you've signed up for Printify, this is where you will land. Now, let me demonstrate how to use Printify to create and print various products. Start by exploring the catalog. In the catalog, you will find a wide range of products, such as men's clothing, women's clothing, kids' clothing, accessories including face masks, phone cases, hats, and even home and living items like mugs, posters, canvas, and towels. From the dashboard of Printify, you will see My Products, Orders, Wallet, Store Settings, Printify Premium, Printify Academy, and Account. For this example, I'm going to create a simple t-shirt or sweatshirt under the women's clothing category. You can choose your desired product from the options available. So click to view the sweatshirt. You can select the target market as Australia. Then, you'll be able to read the whole description of the product. After that, you can see the available providers of the product. And from here, you will also be able to see the rating of different shippers who provide the same product. The About and the key features will also be provided under the product. And you will also be able to see the size guide from here. Once you get the idea, click to start designing. You can create a new design by using your device, AI image generator, custom text, Shutterstock, Dropbox, and Google Drive. So click on AI image generator. After that, now you can select a product category that suits your preferences. Then, selecting the style, pass the prompt according to your style. After that, click to generate image. Then, the images will be generated as per your prompt. Now you can place the generated image on the sweatshirt. Also, you can customize its size, position, and alignment. The quality of products on Printify is excellent, with different colors, sizes, and other options. In this process, you can also choose from a variety of product colors. The available colors may differ depending on the provider. After that, click to add design. This time you can add custom text. You can write anything you want. Now you can change the color or text, style, size, alignment, and adjust it on your created shirt. Then you can add any of the designs from here to your shirt. After that, go into My Library option from the top bar. You can use your images from here if you want to. Then we have the templates and graphics. From graphics, you can choose text elements. Click to choose it and place it on the shirt. And then choose the color of your selected text elements. You can change its color, style, size, and adjust it accordingly. Save your product when you're satisfied with the design and customization. This will add your product to your catalog. In the catalog, you can manage your products and perform further customization, such as selecting different colors and variants. Once you've tailored your product to your liking, you can proceed to set the prices and variants. Also, you can click to view the column of your selected items. You can also add the product description, choose the markups and listings details from here. And don't forget to add the size table to the description. You can choose the option of imperial or metric in size table. Once you're done, you can save it as a draft or directly publish it. You can preview your product to ensure it looks as you envisioned. Finally, save your product, and it will be listed in your catalog. Printify makes it easy to connect your store with various e-commerce platforms, such as Shopify, Etsy, Squarespace, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and eBay. This means you can seamlessly list and sell your print-on-demand products across different online stores.